Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to Idil's channel. In this video we'll be making a great bean salad which we called Piyaz here in Turkey. It goes great with meatballs, very easy to put together, very healthy and very wholesome. Let's get started. So here in Turkey we usually make Piyaz using white beans only, but the way I do it is that I combine 3 different beans so that I've got this colorful salad full of different flavors. So I use white beans, red beans and I also use mung beans. These two you can use canned or you can soak them overnight and then cook them in boiling water until they're cooked and use them after that. And mung beans, you will find that they cook up really fast, so you can just cook these like in boiling water for 15-20 minutes and then they'll be ready to go. So first off, onions are very important in this salad. So I've got a red onion here that has been sliced, thinly sliced, and I'm adding some sumac and some salt. And what I will do is, I will massage the onions with sumac and salt. And in Turkish, and I believe I've already told you this, but in Turkish we call this step killing the onions. So we are cooking it basically with a little sumac and salt while massaging with our hands. And they become much more pleasant to eat afterwards. So I'm going to do this for about a minute. And then we are going to prepare the sauce and I'll put everything together. So this is looking great. A minute is more than enough to massage it. And it does really make a difference. So with any salad recipes you're using onions, make sure to do this. And you know, we usually serve onion like this as a garnish next to meat recipes, especially shish kebabs. And I've got a great recipe on that up my channel. So onions are ready. I'm just going to put everything, mix everything together here. The kidney beans, white beans, and the mung beans, the green beans. And we're going to make the salad dressing. So for the dressing, I've got here about a lemon juice from 1.5 lemons. So it's quite lemony. And I'm adding some vinegar, like a teaspoon. And I will write down all the ingredients in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. And I'm adding some olive oil. 1/2 cup to a cup would work great. So the sauce is quite important. It's a simple sauce, but it really gives a great kick, a great flavor. Some salt. And some people add tomatoes in their bean salad. I don't. I like it a lot with onions and beans and the sauce. It's super simple, goes great with everything. Can be a very healthy lunch if you're a vegetarian or vegan. I'm gonna give this everything a good mix. And to add some greens in this and to add more flavor, I'm adding parsley. You can use mint as well. And I'm going to give everything a good mix and let it sit for 5 minutes. You know, when it sits for a little bit, the beans, they absorb that sauce, the olive oil, the lemon, the vinegar, and become much tastier. And then I'm going to give it a taste. It's ready, and I just love recipes like this where it's so easy to put together, simple ingredients, but gives out great results. So let's give it a taste. So good. Combination of 3 beans, the way each one of them feels and the flavor it gives. It goes great with onions and great with the simple sauce we prepared. So please make sure to try this out. And if you do, please leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I share a lot of easy, wholesome recipes, especially Mediterranean recipes. So please subscribe and make sure you don't miss out. Hope to see you next time. Bye!